Naligo na. Oy, be careful. It's slippery. Naligo sa ulan. Ala. Martin! Allah!
Kami ginawa sa unang dinadala sa Lake Cebu.
Yes.
Balay nila Rinard.
Oh. Kami bitaw.
Bago sa una, nagsakay pa kami sa bangka na Malaki. Grabe sila bibig, irini siya kay dami nakikisabong kay ang bangka na nasakyan namon, nakita namon ba? Para hindi magpalayo ba?
Naputol.
Ikaw minautod na naman sa mga buksay. Nauhang pakulo ko sa itong buksay. Ikaw kailangan na lang doon sa itong grabe na sa
Gay, sinong dagol ba to? Sinong jiri? Nung jiri guro to? Nung jiri to? Gay, langhuy mo niya. Okay, naglakat ang bangkas to nga? Oo. Sirang Marford, nagsakay ko sa ano?
Happy birthday! I love you! But I would like to wish you all the best in your life. And I would again say, I love you.
Si, ano lang si Bue?
And tama-tama niya yung birthday niya. So ako po kay Ate para hindi taga-tinumon sa bahay ni Kalarason para makita kami every year.
Ready? This is early morning at my grandparents' place. So this is my cousin's house. We're staying here for the night. This is the pineapple plantation. And this one here is my uncle's house. And this whole strip actually are my relatives. So these are the different kind of fruit trees. I'm outside by the road. Okay, so I'm really near to the main road here to see if you can see Mount Matuto. It's a very nice place here. Oh, this is very clear. This is so nice. Perfect. It rained last night. That's why all these trees here, the leaves fell. So, it's very loud trucks. It's Monday today here in the Philippines. And the workers for the Dole plantation here, you know, they're brought for all these trucks. The plantation of Dole in front of my grandma's or grandparents' house. Okay. Going back inside to have some breakfast. Okay, I'm going back in. Let's have some breakfast. Okay. The other one also is my cousin's house, but they're not living here. They live in the city. This is just like a vacation house here. Different kinds of trees, fruit trees that surrounds this place. Okay. We used to spend our early years here with my siblings. This one is called the Piazza. Piazza. And mango tree, and this one is, I don't know, durian, I guess. Di na ang rambutan. Ni ha? Rambutan tree. Oh, it's so good. Hindi ko makita rambutan. Oh, there. Yeah. Rambutan tree. Oh, damo kali siya bunga dito. Gina-video ko ang rambutan. Oh, okay, nakatulugan. Santol. Mga pe-ante. It's very cozy and very refreshing. This is a mango tree, but there's no fruits. So there's a lot of trees here. Some were planted by my dad, but the small ones here are the new ones. It used to have a guava in this area. There's a coconut. This is a calamansi fruit. So most here are fruit trees. There was a this one is called miracle fruit. Miracle fruit. Here. This miracle fruit. Yeah. This is medicinal. You cannot eat right away. You have to know how to prepare it. What is this? I think this is a breadfruit, but there's no fruit yet. I think so. I'm not sure. So this is the back of the house. There's a lot of fruit trees. And what else can I see here? There's not a lot of fruits this time. This is yung maasim, sour, the sour thingy. There's no fruit either. Sometimes it's full of fruits. And guayabano. There's a guayabano. It's hiding. Okay, let's go around. It's at night. There's so much trees around here. These are fruit trees. Fruit trees. Fruits are abundant in my grandparents' place. So the trees, the avocado has no fruit under. There's the lanzones. There's a lot of trees. This is the avocado. There's another other trees, the big ones. I don't know what is this one. Yeah. See? I'm passing through the dirty kitchen. Or dirty kitchen. They cook outside here when there's like big parties. They put stuff here. Oh, this is the star food. Look. And nobody eats. It's just falling on the ground. Oh, and I think the lanzones is on this side there. So this is one big compound, and on the other side of the fence, that's also a relative there. That's not a okay. Let's go. Here you can see the rambutan. Here. Dito makuha ko ang rambutan, oh. Labot ko. And here is hanging out place. Let's look here too. So I'm upstairs. Oh, rambutan. Here it is. Dere sa ulo ko ang mga ito hangin. Harapan na dere ang kwan.